If you want a reliable solution to both city and well water contaminants, then SpringWell tank-based RO is perfect for you. With its comprehensive 4-stage filtration process, it can easily remove bacteria, sulfates, and other nasty stuff in water with an impressive 75 GPD filtration capacity. So, in this video, we'll examine this under sink based on critical factors like contaminant removal, water flow rate, and customer support to find if it's truly worth your money. So, without any further ado, let's get started. As always, you'll find links to exclusive discounts in the description below. First, contaminant removal. SpringWell's 4-stage filtration process effectively removes 99% of impurities, including lead, arsenic, chlorine, pesticides, bacteria, and heavy metals. Stage 1 is the sediment pre-filter, which captures larger particles like debris, rust, dirt, and sediments. Stage 2 is the carbon pre-filter, which removes chlorine, chloramine, volatile organic compounds, bad taste, and odor. Stage 3 includes the row membrane, with pores as small as 0.1 micron, that effectively filters out dissolved solids, salts, heavy metals, pharmaceuticals, pesticides, and bacteria. Lastly, Stage 4 is the post-carbon filter, which ensures that any remaining impurities are removed and the water is clean and fresh for dispensing. It's worth noting that the row system is effective for well water as long as it's pre-treated to remove bacteria and larger sediment particles. Failure to pre-treat the water may result in quick clogging of the system and wear of the semi-permeable membrane. The second aspect is the water flow rate. With a fast production rate of 75 gallons per day, the SpringWell system ensures an adequate supply of purified water, even for larger households. Its large 32-gallon storage tank capacity ensures you won't have to wait too long to fill a glass of purified water. The third aspect is ease of installation and maintenance. Installation of the SpringWell system is straightforward, but may require some plumbing alterations to accurately connect the system under the sink. The installation kit includes the filter housing, storage tank, faucet, valves, cartridges, pipelines, and hardware. The official installation guide is only available in PDF format, but there are video guides by independent reviewers showcasing the step-by-step setup process. As for maintenance, the SpringWell row system is hassle-free and quick to maintain. The twist and lock functionality allows you to quickly replace the filter cartridge in no time. For sediment and carbon filters, filter replacements are required every 6 months, while the row membrane filter can last for 2 years, depending on usage. Plus, the integrated filter cartridge design minimizes the risk of bacteria buildup while keeping replacement costs reasonable. While the official pure-to-drain ratio for the SpringWell row system is unknown, its reverse osmosis membrane has an efficiency rating of about 25%. If you're finding this video valuable, then know that 99% of you don't subscribe. Do subscribe so that you are that top 1% who will help support more such useful content. The fourth important factor is NSF certifications. While the SpringWell row filter lacks official NSF certifications, the system is built using NSF certified components, ensuring quality and performance. Independent reviewers have tested the undersink, and it has stood fair against its contaminant removal claims, as you can see here. The fifth and last essential factor is the customer support and warranty. SpringWell provides excellent customer support and backs its products with a limited 1-year warranty against manufacturing defects. If you have questions or complaints, you can phone the customer support team during office hours or fill out the contact form on their website. They have also provided a separate technical support column on their website to solve any technical difficulties you might encounter in the system after purchase. Now, let's talk about some of the cons of the SpringWell row system. The first drawback is that it lacks an official video installation guide, which is easier for users to understand and follow. The next drawback is the extra cost of the additional remineralization filters if you want to further enhance the taste and quality of your water by retaining the healthy minerals. Lastly, as we discussed before, the SpringWell reverse osmosis filter lacks NSF certifications for the entire system. But overall, if you want extensive contaminant removal with responsive customer support, SpringWell row is an excellent choice. So there you have it, our in-depth review of the SpringWell tank-based under-sink reverse osmosis system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. Cheers!